Huh. We're live.
Well, it's just kind of a weird camera angle, right? If this chair is moves, it's like Benjamin is a.
Yeah, but the thing is, it's nice for me to be able to see it.
It will be always very big.
Uh huh.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, everyone. Joao's being inappropriate. Anyway, as you can tell, we're in a new place, and there was a bit of a problem with the internet, so that's why.
Nice means of production. You're shaming someone sees that. Oh, maybe this doesn't work there, right?
I love it, but probably not.
Oh, this is a proper living room concert now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay, I'm not here to sing now. I'm
Right. Yeah. Sure. That's
just
okay.
living room. It's right in front of Benjamin's face. Please tell me it's right in front of his
Yeah, because I have a Can you do more of the talking today? Is that okay?
Today, for the first time in
And
God
forever.
knows when. Forever, probably. Yes, please play that one again. That one, yeah. Today we are in the House of Music, where our dear Witzinho lives, along with some more people. And today, for the first time, we have people, live people watching. Oh, wait, what? You're just talking to yourself? Sorry, the piano is slightly detuning.
Crazily detuned.
But it's very good for ragtime.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the perfect kind of detuning. See? It's like you're in the salon. Chairs flying everywhere. Drunk people getting punched. It's been a tough week. I've had a lot to think about. It's always the same excuse. Can you hear me now, Marco? Marco is our new sound engineer.
Yeah. We have a new sound engineer.
Are we allowed to have Marco?
We are
Yeah.
allowed to.
I mean, too late now.
Yeah. Too late. Marco's here with us. Exactly.
Marco and all
As
the
is
other
Marco.
and all the other 50 people right now in the room.
There's literally hundreds of people here.
I said 50 and you go literally hundreds.
Yeah. I thought you were being British.
Oh, British.
British.
Can I have a ball?
What about?
Bem bye bye. By Jacques Black.
Jacques Black.
Jacques Black.
Beaten by Bad
Very-
Jacques Black.
Very
Jack
French.
Black.
Black.
Ah, c'est très French.
Jacques Noir.
Jacques Noir. Oui, le Jacques Noir. Oh,
Jacques
Just say.
Noir. Holy shit.
what?
Oh my god. Yeah, sorry. I just had a major realization. Never mind. Yeah, okay. So there, Jack Black, if you would translate it to Dutch, would be Sjaak Zwart. but that's a guy that actually exists, and he's like an icon for the football club Ajax.
Oh.
And when I
Okay.
said it, it's like, hey,
This man exists.
this man exists. Shaki Zwart, Jack Black. Okay, well,
Plot twist. Jack Black.
they're the same person.
Exactly.
Yeah. Jack Black is Mr. Lucky Ajax.
Jack Black.
Jack. Shaq.
He's
Are we
with
singing
the
a song?
Yeah, should we do Cousin Jack? Talking to Jack Black?
Hey.
Oh.
I should get my.
You're lappy. Also, this place is super dusty, and now my voice was great all day, and then I spent 5 minutes here, and now it's not working.
Excuses.
Excuses. Thank you for bearing with. There's always a bit of teething things when we start at a new place.
Thank you.
I saw you had your hand with
What a service. I'm connected to my own internet. So
now.
Oh no, you
No,
can
no,
back
that's
in.
cool.
Am I needed? Not yet, right?
Yeah, not till like the second verse.
Exactly.
Right.
So now if I'm drinking, maybe I won't start before I
Joao and I can go smoke a cigarette.
Exactly. Anyway, Cousin Jack. Legit half the notes don't work.
I was impressed. Minimalism is where it's at.
This land is barren and broken, scarred like the face of the moon. Our tongues so already spoken, ground all around face ruin. Will there be work in New Brunswick? Will I find gold in the Cape if I tunnel away down to Australia? How will I ever escape? Where there's a mine or a hole in the ground, that's where I'm headed for, that's where I'm bound. So look for me under the road or inside a vein, where the copper, the clay, where the ocean comes in, flow in your blood and get under your skin. I'm leaving all Cornwall behind, and I'm not coming back. So follow me down, Cousin Jack. the table. It opens us up to these. But the English, they live in our houses. And the Spanish, they fish in our seas. That's where I'm headed for, that's where I'm bound. So look for me under the road or inside. Where the copper, the clay, where the arsenic contain. Following your blood and get under your skin. Leaving all Cornwall behind, and I'm not coming back. So follow me down, cousin Jack. Follow me down, cousin Jack. Follow me down. We will vacuum before next week. I hate dust. Thank you. Oh, it's so nice having applause. Oh my god. What is this? What is it? We have applause. Holy. That's really nice.
I sang Under the Road multiple
I heard
times. And what did I sing instead of arsenic?
Arshik or something. Arshik, yeah.
Arsenic.
I heard
With the copper clay, where the
Arshik.
No, but I sang an existing word. I'm quite sure.
It was something with a sh. For sure. In the arsenic and...
Arsenic.
Arsenic. You know that metal, arsenic.
Yeah. I'm sort of a geologist. Sort of a geology genius.
I have a very good question.
Go.
So, what makes the difference? Oh, how old must okay, sure.
Oh my gosh.
How old
Think of the
How
joke
old-
before you want to say it.
how old must a corpse be after being buried? So the archaeologists are not considered grave robbers.
At least 2.5 weeks. At least. At least.
That's how it works.
Yeah.
2.5 weeks.
No actúes tan extraño, duro como una roca. Si te mostré pedazos de piel que la luz sola aún no toca. Y tantos lunares que ni yo mismo conocía. Te mostré mi fuerza bruta, mi talón de Aquiles y mi poesía. Dejarás solo esto una historia más. ¿Qué haré si no te vuelvo a ver? Si desde el día en que no estás, vi la noche llegar mucho antes de las 6. Si desde el día en que no estás, vi la noche llegar mucho antes de las 6. Mucho antes. No dejes el barco tanto antes de que zarpemos hacia alguna isla desierta y después veremos si me ves desarmado. sensibles y sutiles. Dejarás la vida, lo dirá hoy. ¿Qué haré si no te vuelvo a ver? Si desde el día en que no estás vi la noche llegar mucho antes de las 6. Si desde el día en que no estás vi la noche llegar mucho antes de las 6. Si desde el día en que no estás vi la noche llegar mucho antes de las 6. Si desde el día en que no estás vi la noche llegar mucho antes de las 6. Mucho antes de las 6.
Nice.
Oh, it's such a nice song.
I feel like such an old person because my lens is not entirely correct, so I've trouble reading the words.
Wait, are you drunk?
Probably.
Oh, that's very
No,
tiny.
he says it's the lenses.
Mm-hmm.
I say it's the lens. I've had this.
I've been there with them.
So now I have to.
Sometimes I also have my lenses very dirty. That's why.
Like owner, like lens. Like owner, like lens.
Not sure I follow.
You
Me
said
neither.
your lens.
Yeah, my lens.
Yeah.
Says my lenses.
Yeah.
What?
Like owner, like Lavmar.
What? I was noticing this piano's brand is Aibach.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
It's like
So-
Apple's brand of pianos.
Totes approach. Aibach. Yeah.
Aibach.
It's very good. Legit, half of it doesn't work. Like,
So,
as soon
like
as I start,
Apple.
as soon as I start playing louder, it's like one note when I'm playing 7. Like,
Well,
So it's kind of the same.
I mean,
Thing with the
that's
Apple
an
products,
easy
right?
excuse, isn't it? Yeah.
Once again.
But did anybody?
It's the
notice-
piano, guys. Also, you're playing out of tune. Maybe you should do something about that. Yeah, this doesn't work for me at all.
That's usually the problem when you stop playing for a few days.
Yeah. It takes some time
Your
to warm up things.
Ah, Montsbach.
You know by now what means Montbach.
I think so. Let me see. Yes, I know.
Also, why are people so quiet?
Yeah, people, say hello in the comments. Where are you all?
Only Lynn.
Only lovely Lynn. Lynn, what gin and tonic are you drinking
Lovely
today?
Linda.
What Lynn and tonic you mean?
Sorry.
What Lin
Oh.
and tonic?
Marta
É.
Silva. Olá. Ah.
Fugimos do espaço antigo. Literalmente.
Literalmente.
Literalmente,
Hum.
fugimos do outro espaço onde nós estávamos.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Have you?
Ja. Ja.
Ja?
Ja.
Ja?
Mondbach.
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 Aandacht.
What have you done, Benjamin? People in the audience losing their books. I love that one. Is it the B?
This is the best note on the whole keyboard.
That's the money note right there.
Yeah, exactly.
Which one is it? E flat?
B.
No, it's
Oh my
You
god!
couldn't be further.
Feels like E flat. It has a purple feel to it, so that's why.
Purple fill. I mean,
Yeah,
it's so out of tune. Like that's probably throwing you off.
Yeah, E flat is in there somewhere.
How far can it be, right? Anyway. Montbach. Marcello.
Crossing you in style
No, no.
Okay.
It's not a chicken, but it's a bird.
Ah.
Oh no, I really
No, oh no, oh no, no, there are Catalan speakers.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
no,
That's
no,
right.
no. No, this is too, okay. Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, that's even. Yeah.
Okay, no, let's do it. Let's do
Yeah.
it.
Two of them.
Ah.
I've been meaning to have this checked for weeks.
Yeah,
Because
same.
I'm very.
Yeah. Oh, we'll get it. In the
Okay,
end.
if there are any Catalan speakers around, let us know if you actually understood what we're singing.
Let us know of how many wrong words we said.
We'll do our best. Rossignol, que vas a França, Rossignol. Encomana la mare, Rossignol, un bell boscatge, Rossignol, Cam fa guarda la ramada Rossignol, e perduta la scagliata Rossignol, d'un bel boscaccia Rossignol, d'un alba kermata Rossignol, la che torna la cabra Rossignol, un bel scaccia Rossignol, che mandona la sparpaga Rossignol, un petto e una braçada Rossignol. Això són coses Well, I don't know if it was correct Catalan, but I liked it.
Yeah.
Mi scioglio. Mi sto sciogliendo in lacrime.
That's for the Italians.
Yeah, for all y'all Italians out
All
there.
y'all.
All y'all.
All y'all.
You guys wanna? I'm gonna do a solo now. I'm gonna
You guys
finish
wanna
my
what?
email. You guys? No, I was like, you guys wanna stay or you guys wanna?
Well, I'm going to write an email to a friend now. So.
I'm gonna do some shit posting. So if you guys,
I need to write a strongly worded letter to the gemeente, so...
I'll leave then.
man, none of these keys work.
Which friend are you writing an email to? Do you have other friends besides me?
No.
Right, so I'm getting an
Even
email.
Marco and Joao were just for show, right?
Yeah.
Like just for the outside world.
They're ornamental friends.
Except he doesn't let me have other friends.
For status.
Oh.
Maybe you should.
Yeah.
You should like.
Having
do,
international friends makes you more interesting. Everyone knows that.
Oh my god. That's the only reason.
I mean, it's kind of true.
Yeah, I mean, your glasses are cool as well, but that's basically it.
Oh,
Yeah.
the shade.
Okay, I'm leaving now. See you never, fake friend.
Thanks, Schwab. We had fun. Want me? You can do whatever. It's my house.
La terra umida escrit saps estic boig per tu em passo els dies esperant com et puc estimar si de mi estàs tan lluny servir-li a capaç boig per tu sé molt bé que des d'aquest part jo no puc arribar on estàs però dins la meva copa veig reflexada la teva llum no l'apagaré servir-li a capa boig per quan mi siguis al matí les llàgrimes s'espatran entre la pluja que caurà.
It's so nice having. I don't think I've ever sung that for a Catalan person before, so it's very nice having like. Guys, if you have any requests of songs you want to do, let us know. If there are any requests in the comments, let us know.
Have you learned Nature Boy already?
I have not learned Nature Boy yet. I have Riverman. Was that you?
No.
Riverman? I swear, you asked like seven months ago.
Riverman?
Yeah,
I've never heard of that song
Me
in
neither.
my life.
me neither.
Well, it's been Nature Boy this entire
Maybe
time.
that was me just. Anyway.
It's not the same.
There was a man, a very strange, enchanting man.
Maybe
we can change the
Riverman-
words.
Maybe Riverman is the man who sings Moon River.
Right. And
then
we are
yes.
all rivermen.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, that's Bach. That's Riverman.
Whoa.
Again.
Guys, are we?
We have to go deeper.
You sure? If we go deeper, there's no way out.
This requires more research.
Yeah.
I'm so sad I finished my master's research already. I could have done it on this.
I feel like that would have been a fantastic master's research.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
I would pay to see that.
Would you like us to join already?
I'm gonna do one solo. You can join if you want.
In
It's
Catalan?
no, in English. Oasis.
Today is gonna be the day that I
Anyway, here's Wonderwall. Do you know it well enough? Do you know this one?
Call your real friend Heather.
His words, not mine. Slip inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to stay? You said that you'd never been, but all the things that you've seen slowly fade away. So I start a revolution from my bed. 'Cause you said the brains I have went to my bed. Step outside, summertime's in bloom. Stand up beside the fireplace. Take that look from off your face. You ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. It's so sad you can't wait. She knows it's too late as we're walking on by. Her soul slides away, but don't look back in anger.
That's how we win.
Yeah. That's
We
That's
win.
a good song.
That's how we win.
That was it today. Thank you, Udzinho. Let's do this with the three of us. Bailando sobre as olas.
Ondas.
Ondas.
Okay. I actually think I know what you mean.
Bailando sobre as olas.
Fuck yeah.
Olas. And I'm the one with the Russian accent, right?
I mean, also.
Also, yeah.
Bailando.
Bailando sobre as
Sobre as
olas.
Super. Okay, but is this what you would expect it to be called in English?
Yeah. Oh, man.
You're playing to choose. You want 1 or 0? I don't know. This reminds me of something, but I never know
What
what.
key do we do it in with you? I forget every single
Low.
time.
E
Yeah.
flat, man. Always E flat.
When in doubt,
For me,
E flat.
it stands for God. But seriously, what is it called?
That's not the waves, bro.
It's
Bailando
so
sobre as olas.
you would expect it to be at D, right?
No, but it's just text.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Ah.
Wait, he texted it to you last time or the other time or the
Ah.
other time.
And you do the third verse, but which is the first verse?
Also that.
Although I loved your improvised
also
third
the
verse
improvisation,
lyrics.
That was a very good one.
Actually, yeah. Can you improvise third verse?
Yeah.
Just-
I mean, but now we know. So.
Yeah. And then
Okay, well, let me.
see how you feel in the moment. If the spirit makes you sing the first verse, that's also fine. Check it out. Is it really A major?
The thing is,
No.
Benjamin sent me this text a week ago. Benjamin and I message each other a lot, so this is going to take a little
Do you
while.
need me to just send it to you again?
No, I'll do
That
it.
would have been so much
Sorry,
easier than
no,
all
no,
the-
thank you.
Not anymore.
Thank you for offering, friend. Okay.
Make sure you're clicking it out.
Will you modulate in between verses to suit our voices?
One of those very disguised modulations.
Yeah, exactly. Subtlety who?
Oh, so I can't play in thirds because none of the keys work.
Marco Immovi.
Vowel sounds.
Limoncello.
Limoncello. Oh, Hella. Oh, you could have met Hella today.
Limoncello.
She left already.
She has the sexiest voice when she says that.
Limoncello.
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah? Okay. I haven't done it for a while. Wait, you may click if you want.
What?
We're doing Girasoles.
She
It's a drawing with Jorginho and I.
I may click. Oh. Got it.
Or
Is this too much?
play
Too much. Yeah?
or play the casa.
The castle?
You say boxing,
Box. Cajon.
not just box.
Caja. I was like, why is he playing the house? You remember it? Or do you need me
Yeah.
to do the... Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm very good at these things.
Uh-huh.
Operate bars with piano chords, with heartbeat quavers, 8/8. Oh my God, it's coming there.
Yo cuando bailo te veo, voy girando y dándote vueltas, que nos quita la soledad. Dentro de tus ojos veo afirmación, me aceptas y yo te acepto a ti. Girasoles giran para besos, mientras la mía está aquí. Mientras la mía está aquí. Mientras la mía está aquí.
Yes.
The only acceptable answer for this.
Yes.
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 For
Yes.
prepared piano and
Give me all the notes.
Okay.
In 3 languages.
Yeah.
We didn't do that one for so long.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we haven't done that in ages. Agora estou vendo. Yaor.
I feel watched.
I know. I'm not gonna lie. It's super weird actually having people like here. It's perfect. I love it. But for a year, we've been doing these concerts to a fucking camera.
Oh, whoa.
To a camera, and it's like it's so.
Which was nice.
Which was lovely.
With all
Thank
due
everybody
respect
for
to the
joining.
camera.
But now, like actual people who are like reacting, it's very nice. Oh.
Applausje voor jezelf.
Oh my god. Wait, it's in 4 languages, right?
Oh, yeah.
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 Ja?
Yeah.
Colores del viento.
Ah.
Yeah, you do it. Okay, so I begin.
Yes. You begin with the Spanish.
I begin with
introduction.
Spanish. You do
Then I do
Portuguese.
Portuguese.
You do Dutch.
Then
I
you
do
do
Spanish.
Or Spanish.
And then
oh,
we
you
all do
Spanish
English.
and we do
And then we do
all.
English at the end.
Oh, yeah.
And then we need the Cornish first, but for next time.
Can you say it again? I wasn't paying attention.
I begin.
Yeah.
Joao. Basically, you do one verse after Joao.
I do the one up. Yeah, whatever.
De
okay.
rivier zijn mijn broeders and shit.
Hey,
Yeah.
Like,
that's what you call your brothers?
Nah, man.
De regen, de rivier. Ja.
Het zijn mijn
Het
broeders.
zijn mijn broeders.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, now I'm confused. Okay,
Spanish
and then after that,
introduction.
after I've done the Spanish verse, then we all do in English from How High Does the Sycamore
Yeah,
Grow?
exactly. That's it. Yeah. Oh, high does the sycamore grow. You'll never know.
Yes.
We have to do a bossa nova version.
Ja.
Love it.
Have you ever heard about the Pavlov's
I
dog?
thought you were
The,
like,
the
have you
word of
ever
our
heard
Lord
of-
Jesus Christ.
Have you ever heard about the Pavlov's dog?
Yeah.
Doesn't it ring a bell?
Once.
Oh my god.
Pa, 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 da, da, da.
Is this Portuguese or
Nee.
no?
Is this Portuguese or Russian?
That's usually. Wait, usually there's.
Portugal.
Portuguese in Portugal.
Yes. Isso, mano.
Yes, that's a good one.
Okay. Okay. So here we're doing this one. Okay, it's a operation doing this one. I tell you.
Operação.
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 Isso é uma operação.
Isto é uma operação de verdade.
What?
Yeah. Got both consonants in one sentence. De verdade.
De verdade.
De verdade.
Oh,
Okay.
Whatever.
Marco Immobili, Marco. Immobili, Marco Immobili, Marco Immobili. Marco Immobili.
Okay.
Crees ignorante y salvaje. Tú has ido por el mundo y viajado por doquier, mas no puedo entender si hay tanto por saber. Tendrías que aprender a escuchar. Octave too high, child.
Pensas que esta terra te pertence, que o mundo é um ser morto, mas vais ver que cada pedra, planta ou criatura está viva e tem alma, é um ser. Dás valor apenas às pessoas que acham como tu sem seu bom, mas segue as pegadas de um estranho e terás mil surpresas de esplendor. Já ouviste o lobo uivando no ar azul, o porcarrio desse ondas bem. Sabes ver cantar com as cores da montanha e pintar com quantas cores o vento tem. E pintar com quantas cores o vento tem.
En laat je leiden door de larix. Het hert toont zijn betoverend domein. Verover het en rooi je door die rijkdom. Maar vraag nooit wat het waard zou kunnen zijn. De regen, de rivier, het zijn mijn broeders. De reiger en de otter, lucht en land. En alles staat met alles in verbinding. In een cirkel, een oneindig groot verband. Heb je ooit de wolven horen brengen aan de maan? En vraag je ooit een links waarom hij spint? Ben je doof voor de stemmen van de pers?
Let us know in the comments which was your favorite language.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a competition, but who won?
It's not a competition, but Portuguese is clearly better.
Said
Joe I liked all of them.
I also like, that's very diplomatic. That's
Equally.
the Gaston answer.
I liked all of the colors of the wind.
Wits, time for a solo of you.
Okay. Which one would you like me to do?
Can you do the one that you stream?
What?
The one that you stream in the end.
Yes.
Perseguindo visões.
Vamp, I need to.
Is it like a music caster thing?
Reference.
People often wonder why I look so tired. I've been chasing old sweet memories, memories of you, scattered and few. I'm chasing them most of the time. Clouds are now invading. Memories once sky blue. Midnight visions once in color, now black and white, and fading from sight. I'm chasing them most of the time. Sometimes unlucky here in the night, I see your brown eyes as my memory takes flight, carried away in visions of yesterday.
Coração
past the Sally Gardens with little snow white feet. She bid me take love easy as the leaves grow on the tree. But I, being young and foolish, with her would not agree. In a field by the river, my love and I did stand, and on my leaning shoulder she laid her snow white hand. She bid me take love easy as the grass grows on the trees. But I was young and foolish, and now I'm full of tears. Home, no more home to me. Whither must I wander? Hunger my driver, I go where I must. Cold blows the winter wind over hill and heather. Thick drives the rain, and my roof is in the dust. Love of wise men was the shade of my roof tree. The true word of welcome was spoken in the door. Dear days of old, with the faces in the firelight, kind folks of old, you come again no more. let it stand now. The friends are all departed. The kind hearts, the true hearts that loved the place of old.
Very nicely sung, Virginio.
Thank you.
Guys, online, do you have any requests? Hola, Antonio.
We can do Mooi.
Ah, yeah, man.
Oh, it's very orange.
Eis Bella, Bella, Bella.
Bella.
Tu és Bella. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt.
You do
Tu
the
és
first verse, right?
Yeah.
Hey, I'll do a little medley then. I'll start with a different one, and then you can join afterwards.
Do you want me to join in the different one?
No.
Will
sorry.
you tell me which one
No,
the different
sorry.
one is, Benjamin
Jij bent de
Jago?
liefde.
Ah, cute. I can harmonize.
Geef mij eens je handen, kijk hem nog aan. Ik zit vol van iets dat jij moet weten. Geheel mijn hart heb ik aan jou gegeven. En zo zal het altijd zijn. Twijfel niet aan hetgeen we samen delen. En geloof me, ik twijfel niet aan jou. Beloof me dat jij jezelf zal blijven. Het is goed zo, niet veranderen voor mij.
liegen niet. Ik lees aan jouw gezicht af dat er iets veranderd is. Alsof al ons verdriet is verdwenen in jouw glimlach. Vandaag schijnt een ander licht. Ik ben benieuwd wat jouw geheim is. Deel het met mij. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent. Mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt. Mooi wanneer je slaapt.
Je bent mooi als ik je zie je stralen als het zonlicht zonder meer. De mooiste ben je liever, al heb je dat niet door. Dan zeg ik het graag, waar ben ik toch voor? Ik ben er vandaag
En morgen.
Ik ben er voor altijd, ik ben al lang blij dat ik naar je kijken kan elke dag. Ook als de nacht zich meldt, liever dan schijn je zelfs meer. En morgen als ik wakker word, dan zeg ik het weer. Dat jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Neem mij een beetje van jouw licht. Haal mij uit de schaduw. Ik zou willen vliegen, maar ik draag te veel gewicht. Leen mij je vleugels. Jij bent mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi als je van me houdt, zelfs mooi als je me haat. Maar dat doe je nooit.
Nice. Hey, I feel like it's time to do an intense melody.
It's intense melody o'clock. What's the intense melody you want to do, Benjamin?
Fantasy Finale.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. I
Yeah.
actually was going to suggest.
it's getting pretty dark.
It's getting
Yeah,
pretty.
yeah.
Is there more lights? Not in this corner, right? We can do that for next week. Hi, Trish. So lovely that you're joining us.
Trish. Woo! Trish is here. That's exciting.
Trish, congratulations on your. It was a dark and stormy night. No, congratulations on your exam. It was absolutely beautiful.
Do it.
Do it.
I don't know.
That's the scariest thing
Do
I know
it.
how to say.
Lumos solem. Nox.
Oh. Right, Final Fantasy, that's what we're doing. Wait, shall we do something Portuguese?
Sure.
Seu.
A longe fã de la patrie, de jour de gloire est arrivé.
All my ancestors rolling in their tombs.
We lelemos van nação e benik van Deutsche Blood.
Yeah.
Bloody.
And then we go straight from this into Final Fantasy.
You know that? Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Good that you know. Oh, which is getting ready.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
João and I are doing a thing for Marquino.
Oh, then
and
I
then
can't
we're
do
going to
it
do
anymore.
Final Fantasy.
A
Then
thing for Marquino.
But then I can't do it anymore.
Yeah. Elfo, get out of there. Weirdo doesn't take his trousers off for nothing. But are you... yeah.
is he
yeah.
Hey.
You done or what?
Look at the shade.
Okay, no.
And then we're doing Final
And then
Fantasy.
we're doing
Okay.
Olho para o céu, tantas estrelas dizendo da imensidade do universo em nós. A força desse amor nos invadiu, com ela veio a paz, toda a beleza de sentir que para sempre uma estrela vai dizer simplesmente amor, só sei. Meu amor, vou lhe dizer, quero você com a alegria de pássaro em busca de outro verão. Na noite do sertão, meu coração só quer bater por ti. Eu me coloco em tuas mãos para sentir todo o carinho que sonhei. Hold on, sorry, this one takes a bit of preparation. Here we go. Okay, which order do we have it in? We have close this one. First we have close this one.
Is there also time to do a birthday song afterwards?
Of course, yeah. Joel, did you open them?
Yes.
Hi.
We can go now.
Huh?
We can go now. I
Great.
finished with the...
I'm paid until 10 o'clock, so
okay.
you have me for 4 more minutes. Well, 3.
None of the notes on. El ritmo lo tiene la clave. Dale, duro.
Wait.
Did you know Hidden was on stage once?
Hey,
Yeah, I heard that story like 50 times.
Oh, it's so good.
that happened in the moment, and the moment was then, and it shouldn't be repeated.
Yo, you were asking me in the train if it made grammatical sense.
Yo, you asking... Yo! Yo, bro.
Sorry if I'm too
La 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 la. Kanga! La 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 Parallel fifth.
There's a very nice
Well, the
gif
one
that
name
Trisha
of
sent me of me and her on stage, and she's like super into it, and it's just me going, and that's the gif. It's fantastic. It's so good. Oh, Trish, that was a great project. Okay, you know where we're doing it?
Yes!
Yeah.
Trish knows.
Okay. Here we go.
Can you
oh,
put
man.
the normal light on
Whew.
the screen?
I really have to go to the bathroom, so this is going to be an interesting 7 minutes.
Why did we lose all the chat?
We lost the chat?
I did.
What do you think of the USA?
LRA,
What do you think of the...
Est-ce que
Oh,
tu
no, I
penses
can't.
de la...
Okay. Yeah, are we starting? Boys ready? Wait, do you know the order? Of like all three?
I think so.
The order of things.
The order of the universe. Yes.
What all the physics.
There is only chaos.
Exactly. We acknowledge the chaos.
Ren
Thank you, boys. Thank you, everybody, for joining us online.
This week was the birthday of two of my very dear friends, Dan and Gabi. And today is Gabi's birthday. So, I mean, Sorry.
It's time.
Yeah, the concert has to finish.
That's all the time we have for today.
And tomorrow, it's my
So-
brother's birthday as well.
This one is for Dan, to whom I will send the link later on because, I forgot now. And also for Gabi, who is watching.
Dan and Gabi.
Dan and Gabi. Dan and Gabi.
And
But
Antonio.
Gabi is watching.
And Antonio
Next
in
week.
or next week. Okay. Okay, next week then.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dan and Gabi. Happy birthday to you. Meervoud, lang zullen ze leven, lang zullen ze leven, lang zullen ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. Lang zullen ze leven, lang zullen ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria.
Happy birthday, gefeliciteerd.
Gefeliciteerd Gabi, gefeliciteerd.
Nice. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Remember, like, subscribe, give us all your money underneath. And join
You
us
too, stop
this time.
laughing.
Yeah.
We'll ask you for the money when you're leaving.
See you guys this time next week.
This time.
Yeah.
This time next week.
Quarter past 10 next week.
10:15. Yeah, we're starting the concert late. No, not really. Anyway, next week I have an appointment, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to sing next week. That's a good point.
Uh-huh.
They realized that I was too clever, so they have to take the tooth out.
Oh my
But
god.
we might have to pre-record. Okay, maybe it'll be
Stupidest joke
pre-recorded.
ever. We have pre-recorded concerts. Like I
We
have
have
like
one.
3 pre-recorded
We have
concerts on my
3?
computer.
No, we just have the one, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, apparently we already have pre-recorded concerts. So who knows what's going to happen next week? Anyway, be there.
We don't.
We'll be in the chat, and otherwise we'll be here. And
Who
I'll be
knows? We don't know.
Even less intelligent. Lynn, you're very welcome. Yeah, that's a.